Next time, I may prepare something to talk to you. Sorry, I don't know how to say.
Try your best.
Do you like what? For example, you like food or culture or stories?
You can say, what do you like?
Oh, what do you like? Yes.
I like video games.
Video games. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not interested in video games.
You said we are very different, and now you are
Oh,
seeing how we are very different.
yes, good idea. I will try something new, maybe. Thank you. Okay.
Tell
I
me
think
something that you like.
I like a lot of things. I'm interested in foreign culture. I like difference between the two countries. Any difference, that's okay. I just want to know more things. I just want to know whether the video or the description of foreign countries written or referring in video or books is the same to the reality.
I think that everyone's perception of each culture or country you're trying to visit will be different depending upon your own needs. Like, I have my standards, I have my needs, but maybe your needs and your wants and standards are different than mine. We're both looking for something different, but when we visit that country, our experiences will be very unique and different because our perspectives are different.
Yes, reasonable.
Maybe an actual Chinese person that actually lived in China can give you a better review of another country or culture because they have the same perspective as you do.